Hey guys, welcome back to our regular NTI. Today is NTI day 27 and we're hopping back over to Simple Solutions. Today we're working on quiz number 15. So some of you all had got off track on the lessons that you were doing, so we need to be on lesson 15 for today. All right, let's get started. It says, a flamingo egg weighed 127 grams. Another flamingo egg weighed 135 grams. How much did the two eggs weigh together? So together is when I am going to add. Great job. So I've got 127 plus 135. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 262 grams. Okay, number 2. If you were using the associative property to solve 3 times 7 times 8, you could multiply 3 times 7 first. What is the other multiplication problem you could start with? Or the associative property is also called the buddy property that we use. And it doesn't matter which two numbers that you buddy up. Because if I start with 3 times 7, then I'm going to get 21 times 8. Or I could buddy up 7 times 8. And that's going to give me 3 times 56. Good job. All right. Question 3. Fill in the unknown factor. 4 times what is 12? Well, let's count our 4s. 4, 8, 12. So, 4 times 3 equals 12. Number 4. Change the order of the factors to make a new multiplication sentence. For 4 times 7 equals 28. Well, going back, the associative property says I can buddy up either one, and this would be the commutative property, the flip-flop property. So if 4 times 7 is 28, then 7 times 4 is also 28. Number 5. Adam saw 5 cars with 3 passengers in each. How many people did Adam see in all? Okay, so if there are 5 cars, 3 in each car, that is 5 groups of 3, and 5 groups of 3 is 15 people in all. Number 6. Liz practiced the piano for 26 hours in March, and she played soccer for 32 hours. She was in school for 130 hours. How many more? How many more is our subtraction keyword? Hours did Liz spend in school than practicing piano and soccer together? Write the two number sentences. Together is my add, and then solve for x. Okay, so first of all, we need to find out how much time she spent playing the piano and soccer. So we're going to take 26 plus 32. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Well, she was in school for 130 hours. We want to know how many more that was, minus the 58. I cannot take 8 from 0, so I'll go next door, get 10 more. 10 minus 8 is 2. Can't take 5 from 2, so make this a 0 and that a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 72 hours more in school than her two sports activities or extracurriculars together. All right, number 7. 7 times 8. That's our rhyme. Remember? 5, 6, 7, 8, 56 equals 7 times 8. Find the area by counting the square units. We're just counting the inside blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when it's area, those are units squared. 14 units squared. Number 9. 700 minus 428. 700 minus 428. I cannot take 8 from 0, and I can't borrow from a 0. But I can box out that 70, and 1 less than 70 is 69. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 6 minus 4 is 2. 272. Number 10. What fraction of the square is shaded? Well, I always look at how many parts there are in all, and there are 1, 2, 3 parts in all, so that's going to be my denominator. 3 parts in all, and out of those 3 parts, 1 part is shaded, so 1/3 is shaded. All right, number 11. 427 plus 458. 427 plus 458. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 885. Number 12. Brandy's mom dropped her off at the birthday party at 4:10 p.m. Her mom said, "The party starts in 15 minutes. What time will it be when the party starts?" Well, if she got dropped off at 4:10 and she's got 15 minutes until the party starts, then the party will start at 4:25 p.m. Number 18. Or number 13, I'm sorry. Round 375 to the nearest 100. Okay, so that, remember our rounding song. Find the place, look next door, 5 or more, you raise the score. So, this 3 will become a 4. Look to the right, put zeros inside. 375 is closer to 400. Okay, number 14 is we are adding with 3 add-ins, which is fine. It makes it much easier to write this vertically. Start in that ones place. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. Carry my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 2 more is 5. Plus 3 is 8. 85. All right, last problem. Use the distributive property. We've talked about 3 multiplication properties today to solve 3 times 9. Well, 3 times 6 plus 3, they've broken that down into, that's the same thing as 3 times 6 and 3 times 3. So I'm going to solve each parenthesis. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. And then I'm going to add that 3 times 3 is 9. And 18 plus 9 is 27. My original problem was 3 times 9. And 3 times 9, 9, 18, 27 is 27. Great job, guys. Today, I want you all to head over to Reflex, and you do need to do Reflex. I'm getting on there and checking. Okay, so by Friday, I'll let you know if I'm not seeing you on Reflex. Do some of your multiplication and division practice until you get a green light. I love and miss you bunches. Bye, friends. Bye.